Whoa! They're so nice. So the plants have arrived. Mommy has ordered a lot. It's a big box. We already took out some. This is how they look like. They were wrapped. These tiny things are all succulent. How worth ya? They're so pretty. So all these plants, purple. We'll be using these plants for the dish gardens, so you guys can look forward to more dish gardens because we have more plants and mommy is happy. So here are all the plants on the table. They're still wrapped, and we're going to be unwrapping them. We're going to be unwrapping them in 3, 2, ta-da! Okay, we took off all the wrapping. We left all these things. I think they protect the soil. So over here we have some succulents and cactus. They're so pretty. There's so many. And then we have, this is a palm. I don't know the names of all the plants, but there's some really pretty ones. Now we can start making succulent dish gardens. We have some what do you call those, containers for them already, so look out for those, guys. We're excited to use all these plants and show you. So I think our grow lights arrived. If you guys don't know what grow lights are, they are a specific lights to grow plants indoors. There's a specific wattage. So this macrame, the hanging things, we're starting to make them as well. Grow light! LED grow lights. Ooh. Ah, okay.
You can clamp it.
Yeah, makes sense. Thicker furniture. What the? That one goes up?
Yeah.
Okay. We plugged it in and this lit up. What's this? I'll try to turn it on. Whoa! That's bright. Okay. That's pretty cool.